Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming today. My name is Filipe Camejo. I'm from Portugal. Salam alaikum. It's a great honor to be here. I would like to start introducing you to, let me see how this operates. Which one?
So the green one, this to go forward,
Okay.
this one backwards.
Okay. About Noor Capital. Noor Capital is a company is going to be 20 years in the market next year. We are fully licensed by the Security and Commodities Authority, and we also have a UK office. Myself, I don't like to talk about myself, but I've been in the market for trading for more than 30 years. I started when was not even the euro, was the Deutsche Mark in the Forex market. So, and I've been working in different banks, Morgan Stanley, Deutsche Bank, EFG Bank, BNP Paribas, and now I'm here with Noor Capital. I'm a senior financial advisor in Noor Capital. One of my topic today is the importance of diversification and risk management in trading and investment. Reducing your exposure. I know a lot of people come, and here, especially in Dubai, we have a lot of traders. Gold is the financial instrument everybody likes to trade, but I always talk about risk diversification and asset allocation is probably more a topic on wealth management division when people they look in terms of different asset classes and different risk management. So the balance between the risk and return is important. You know, when every asset class or every financial instrument has its own risk and its own balance in terms of a portfolio. Some of you guys here, or most of the people here, they are traders. Some they like to just day trading. Some of you, they are investors. Some they like to invest in equities. Some they like to invest in hedge funds. Some like to invest in fixed income products, ETFs, different. So one of the things that is important to understand is the reaction of each asset class regarding to the market. You know, right now we go through a big time in volatility. We saw just recently the interest rates cut by 50 basis points, showing some weakness on the United States in the economy. But then you look and we continue to see equity markets doing good, gold markets continue to do good, hedge funds markets continue to do good, commodity markets continue to do good. So right now people asking, okay, are we heading to a recession? How do I strategic myself in terms of investor, and how do I strategic myself in terms of as a trader? Am I a day trading? So the balance between the high risk investment and more stable ones is very important. So I believe the volatility, when you measure volatility, you can manage on the portfolio what is called beta or alpha. Beta is the benchmark relating to the S&P 500. When we say a stock or investment is 10, it does the same performance of the S&P 500. And alpha is the risk relating to an asset class. So it's important to understand the volatility on each market. So take the advantage of the different market conditions. You know, I think it's very important, and I tell everyone, I also teach on technical analysis. What we do is I start also from macro to micro in terms of the analysis. So you need to understand what is important and how the different asset classes perform in different market conditions. Right now, you know, we need to understand when they cut interest rates, the equity market is good for the equity market. When they cut interest rates, maybe it's not so good for the gold market, for the commodities market. So there's a lot of factors that on the fundamental analysis that they will influence or the advantage of taking different market conditions. Okay? Reduce the impact of poor performance. What I mean is like when you have a balanced portfolio, sometimes you have what is called a negative correlation. And if you're looking, for example, of the charts of the gold compared to the chart of the US dollar, euro dollar, if you look, they are normally inversely proportional. So it's important to understand what is the difference and in terms of the negative correlation on the asset classes, in terms of risk analysis, especially on portfolio management. If you do asset allocation, it's very important. That's why people, they diversify. They have cash, fixed income, hedge funds, structured products, commodities. So one of the things that is very important is to reduce the impact of the market fluctuations in every asset class. Okay? Diversification is the name of the game. Some people said, you know, I only trade one asset class. It's okay, you can trade one asset class. It's important to understand. I also tell people when I teach my classes that you need to understand the personality of the asset class you're trading. You're trading gold, fantastic. You said, I just like to trade gold. No problem, but you need to understand the gold market. You need to understand if you're trading London hours, if you're trading US markets, if you're trading Asian markets. So having understanding the personality of the asset class, it's important. For example, gold has been doing so good. I keep telling, have a look of silver. Probably silver is going to now overcome on gold because gold might be overbought, even though we continue to be bullish on gold. So different asset classes is important. You can diversify. You can go on stocks, forex, funds, commodities. So it's a way to be efficient on diversity. Geographically, some people, they like to invest in US stocks. Some people, they like to invest in Asia, China, Japan, India. Right now, the market in India has been doing very good. So different vehicles, as I said, structured products, funds, commodities. You have a different way of diversification. I'm more than happy if anyone have any questions to come and see me at the office. We can do a portfolio analysis on your investments, on your strategy, on your trading models. So we'll be more than happy on that. So diversification, I continue to say, is the name of the game. We can measure the risk tolerance for everyone. You tell me, Filipe, I know I don't want to lose more than this money, so it's your risk tolerance. I measure that. That is very important because, you know, some people, when you have a trading strategy, I talk to a lot of traders every day in my work and everything, and some people, and I said, how do you trade? Oh, I trade with my mobile phone. And okay, how do you look at it? You look at fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Are you a short-term trader, a long-term trader, or a swinger trader? What kind of trading are you? And I said, no, I just trade. Okay, so you're not trading, you're gambling. You only have two outputs. It's true. In this type of trading, you only have two outputs. One is you win, the other one is you lose. It's simple as that. So, but I think in terms of trading, as an investor, as a trader, if you trade with a plan, and diversification is important. Sometimes I look at the charts, and sometimes it's not the right time to trade these financial instruments, so I can look at other ones. So I need to understand that. So I would like to say thank you to everyone. Come and see me. We are on the booth 17. If you have any questions or any personal questions that you like to address, I'm more than happy to assist you there on the trading and help you to set up your trading analysis and your technical trading tools. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great afternoon. Thank you.